No, don't do that.
Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jenny and I make videos about whatever I want and usually anything that I can think of basically. So as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be unboxing Chanel and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got because I actually was not planning to make this purchase. The reason why I made this purchase was because every Chanel retail store has their unique items, and prior to going to the Chanel store, I went online and I browsed around at their stuff and I actually didn't see this item on their website. And I was very surprised to see this item at the store. Also, side note, if you guys want to know where I got this cute top for only $5, click here for my other video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing because I cannot wait to show you guys what I got.